Hey, what's up guys, Himanshu here back with a new video, and let's talk about 10R, 10S, 10S Max. I mean iPhone 10. So let's start with the price. The iPhone 10R will be sold in India for 77,000 rupees. 10S, my mind is saying XS, but yeah, I have to say 10S. iPhone X 10s will be sold for 1 lakh rupees and 10s Max for 1,10,000 rupees. So what is really great in this newer version of iPhones? Their display, kind of, their battery, maybe, their design, not really. So what is good in these new iPhones? So first of all, there is a dual SIM support, but there is not actual physical dual SIM support. There will be one physical SIM and another will be eSIM. So for example, if you want to use two SIMs of Jio and Airtel side by side, then you have to buy a single SIM, Airtel or Jio maybe, and the second SIM will be eSIM, which will be fixed when you buy a phone. So that is the thing about the dual SIM. The cameras are a little upgraded even on 10R. So in India, 10R will be a great hit because of its fancier colors and its price bracket. I mean, according to a survey, people are okay with 70,000-80,000 rupees smartphone. But in 10R, there is LCD display and there is a single camera, but the camera is almost similar to XS. 10s and 10s Max. The batteries are not specified. They are just saying that it is 30% better or 15% better than previous iPhone generations. And I was hoping for a USB Type-C port in newer iPhones, but they are going with that lightning port. So the purpose of this video is only to inform you that the newer iPhones comes with a better camera and it comes with a dual SIM. It is not the physical dual SIM, but yeah, you can use a dual SIM and it has a dual SIM capability, and its lowest version is still expensive. I mean, think of that, you are getting an LCD display for 77,000 rupees. But whatever I say, iPhone 10R will sell like hotcakes. I'm not talking about the iPhones in detail because when I'll get it after 28 September or किसी कृपा हो जाए तो then I will make a detailed video on it. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to CreatorShed if you haven't, and do follow me on Instagram, Himanshu_CreatorShed. So see you in my next video. Till then, this is Himanshu signing out.